Jumuligereria kugania ngorororo kwa abakenya kwa obosemi anene monegoro obochoria mone chikura ye ne chingwana chia omomanyi ogesiasa korwa ase chinsemo cha machoge sireta chase makori oyo onyara kaba kubori abakenya banyaka bakwa obosemi chingaki bagante kweroberia gochigwa kachikura no obochoria oboke nabo igo obochoria bonne buri mutu mwaka bochirwe na 25
makori no momanyi political science. I'm a graduate of political science. Possibly ya democracy era kana kare the common man umuntu kugambirwa understand it inkiata gete democracy to gerale of course we attempt to attempt yake lakini ni rale kulingana na jinsi chinde bono kile tuwe kombe bono mna the USA, Britain, Germany and other countries. Democracy is inherent yake. Na inherent because of our leaders, abagambi baitu mbali ko take the initiative ya endoko na civic education. A common man ete bugwinga what is democracy and what is the role mtu muntu yabone kokora elinde kwa upgrade democracy. Kwa manya konyanga democracy gere sumuntu yomo gere se group ya leadership. Umuntu kugambi utamanyite ndo gende abenga puno bono ngombe ko ndi bitume me gosali bitume tamwe ringi ko gosali bitume onye ndi America it's wrong ko gosali bitume jale gucho. This is the comparison I can give. For example, what's the purpose of a political party? A purpose of a political party is to capture power. Ekere capture power yakoreki implement manifesto. So, more